So let's recap the submission process, and let me show you exactly what happens once you go ahead and click submit for your digital product or your online course. The first step is that you submit the items and integrated binary. That's just very technical jargon, but basically you submit your online course or your digital product through the Amazon Developer Portal. That's what we just did, right? The next step is that it's submitted, right? Amazon starts to review your app and items, and they make sure that everything works as expected. And if everything works fine, then great. Now, you have, between here and here, you have the ability, if you want to cancel the submission by contacting Amazon, letting them know. But why not let it go through the process? The next step is Amazon reviews your app, or in this case, your process, right? Your online course, your digital product. They do their review, and then it gets approved. If there are no issues encountered in testing, because Amazon is actually going to test one of your activation codes, and they're going to see whether it works or not, then once they test that, then they're good to go, they're happy, and then it goes live. It's published to the Amazon website. Now you are actually in the Amazon catalog with your own digital product selling on Amazon. It's amazing. Now, if there's an issue and it doesn't work as expected, then they're going to send you an email saying, hey, there's this problem or there's this problem, please fix it. And then you go ahead and resolve the issue and you start the process over again. But if you follow the instructions the way I've laid them out, you're going to have no problems. You're going to be all the way to live in no time. I found that approval took 1 day for me on the latest 3 courses that I uploaded. And so it's very, very fast. It took 1 business day for them to approve my latest 3 courses. I'm going to eventually have all 45 of my courses up and listed on Amazon. So I wanted to recap the submission process just so you have a sense of what happens after you click that submit button and what Amazon does to review and approve your online course, your digital product, your software, or anything you might have in that Teachable School.